How to delete Snapchat data without deleting account. Hey everyone, if you're trying to do that, let's see how you can do it on this video. First thing first, open up your Snapchat application. You just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're inside your application, you can simply find your profile at the top left corner, so just head over there. And from here, to access your profile settings, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once landed on the settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find account actions. So if you want to remove your Snapchat data without actually deleting conversations or without actually having to delete all of your snaps and memories, you can first start by clearing out your cache. Once you clear out your cache memory, you could also clear conversations if you want, but I'm not going to do that right now. And if you want, you could also clear out your AI data, clear out your search history, and then clear out your recent products. After doing this, your Snapchat will be resetted back to default as if it was new. Just your snaps, memories, and your conversations will be remaining if you don't remove them. And that's pretty much it. That's how you clear out or delete Snapchat data without deleting your account. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.